This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. This video is sponsored by Interplay Learning. Simulation-based step-by-step service testing procedures, beginning to advanced courses available. A fun and entertaining way to advance your skills. Limited time discount. Link and promo code in description below. Morning guys, February 4th, 2019. This one here I got a call for no heat on the first floor. I guess it's a two-family house. I know he got an oil-fired boiler there. His mother's house, and she had passed, so he called me on it. I think he called me Saturday and told him I'd go by there Monday. If he wanted me to go Sunday, time and a half, it would have been a lot more. So it's not that cold. It's not really, it's above freezing, so I'm going there now. There's nobody living in the house, in that apartment, so
then take the third right.
We'll go over there and see if we can figure out why it's not working. He said he hit the reset button, but nothing happened. But he's not too mechanical, this guy. So we'll see. He's got an older system in there. I mean, she's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Got Miss Molly back working with me. Oh, yeah, you're back working. You love working with Daddy. You love working with Daddy. Oh, yeah, I know you love it. No power. Don't seem like it's calling. You got your thermostat turned up?
Now I got it down.
Oh, turn it up.
What do you want me to set it?
Turn it up so it runs. Maybe the bad circulator here or something. She's a crusty one. Maybe you feel surprised if you run out of flipping oil. Oh, looks like he's got oil. Yeah, he's got oil.
I wasn't doing that.
Unless it was off on safety. I mean, you said you hit that, right?
Yep, okay. When I first came down...
Maybe you had the thermostat turned down.
No, it was
too low.
It was at 60. And it was already 48 in the house.
Well, if you hit the reset button, it's going to take a while to heat up.
But it didn't go on.
It didn't go on?
No. Didn't do that at all. Now let me ask you this question. Last Wednesday, I got 100 gallons of oil in.
Did you run out? No?
I didn't run out. The house was warm, but I must have been damn close. But now when I look at the tank, it says it's almost full.
Must have filled up with water. It hasn't rained. We had a problem with that before, water getting in there, haven't we?
Yep.
But let me check it, run it, make sure I get a good oil flow. But she's running. Kind of crazy, huh?
Yep. Because if it didn't start, when I came down the first time, look, the red light was on this.
Okay, so it was, yeah.
Okay. Then nothing was happening. I hit the reset button.
Yeah, nothing.
I went upstairs to make sure the setting was okay. Came down, everything was off.
So you reset it, but it never fired.
Correct.
Maybe a thermostat. Well, you got battery operated thermostat upstairs? Or what kind of thermostat is it? Maybe you need batteries.
I have no idea.
Maybe it might need batteries. Check the nozzle. It's been about a year since the nozzle's been changed, so let me check that. She's a crusty one. Oh, CAD cells a little. How's the new job?
Good. Enjoying it very much.
You enjoying it?
Very much, Steve.
That's good. I remember your son back when he was tiny. He said he's 6 feet, something like that. 6 foot.
6'1", graduating from college this year.
6'1", wow. Hey, now the Patriots won. I was surprised.
I'll tell you, it lacked excitement. That was for sure.
Yeah, that's for sure. Oh yeah, we got carbon on the head. We got a little booger on there. Whoa, I guess a win's a win, right?
Well, that's what Brady said. He said, I may not have been able to do as much as I usually do. But he said, when it's all said and done, we get the checks.
Yeah, win's a win, right? I mean,
looks like they're already talking. They're going to get rid of that other quarterback from the Rams.
oh, they don't, yeah?
Yeah. Probably won't be back.
Why, they don't think he did that good of a job?
No, they just thought he'd crumble.
Oh, man, you know, it's not an easy situation to be in, though. It's a tough one.
But the nice part was they went into it very positive. They weren't gloating. They were confident. They came out and they won. And they were the same way.
Yeah, like I said, a win's a win. I mean, still the champs, right?
Yep. I'm amazed at how people are complaining, though.
Well,
Why are they in it again?
Oh, really?
They won the games.
I posted something on Facebook and I said, you know, everybody hates the Patriots, but they keep winning, right?
Yeah.
You know, all kinds of guys. Oh, you too, and all these guys all bumhurt about that because I said one thing about the Patriots. I mean, ridiculous. People hate them with a passion.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Well, you know, it's part of the thing now. Because they like Kraft. Kraft and Belichick and Brady all like Trump. So people are resentful to them because they get along with Trump.
Now, you're a Democrat, right? You like Trump?
No.
I didn't think so.
But I'm not going to scream out the guy got elected president. That's what we're going to deal with.
Yeah. You thought Hillary was a better choice?
Well, she was the Democratic choice, you know? I was familiar with the way they ran their operation from the husband.
All right, so that's all clean now, and could be this transformer that's just these electronic transformers. I'm not a big fan of them, I'll tell you right now. But it's been over a year since we changed the nozzle. I'll check the oil flow, and we'll see what we got for flow here. If the flow's good, but we know the filter's still good if I got a good flow, right?
Yep.
If I don't get a good oil flow, well, then we change the filters.
Did you see Namath? Joe Namath when they had him?
Yeah, he's kind of snobby, no?
Jesus, he got old looking, huh?
Did he look kind of snobby or what?
Yeah.
He was walking with the trophy and he didn't want no one to touch it because he just wanted to hurry up and get over there. What a snob. Did you see him?
Yeah.
He didn't want anybody touching it like. Unbelievable.
It was nice that they had Vince Wilfork bring it onto the field.
Yeah, and then they Emmett Smith and all that stuff. I mean, they kind of like moved it around a little bit, which was kind of cool, you know? Yeah, but I felt that Namath was a little snobby. I don't know, maybe it was just me. You felt the same way?
I thought so. I thought he was odd when he was moving through the crowd.
Yeah. We'll check it. We'll check the oil flow. Jumped out FF, so it ain't gonna shut off. Wow. Yeah, we're getting a good oil flow. That ain't a problem. Might have just been a little carbon on the head there. Oh, you seen the carbon on the head, right?
Yeah.
It might be this transformer starting to act up. If it trips out again, we're going to change that transformer. Yeah, because this transformer, this might be our issue right here. This electronic one had a lot of problems with those. Sometimes they spark, sometimes they don't. Let's give it a little. It's going to take a little time to heat up, but she is running, so filter's still good. We're getting a good flow.
So it was at a half a tank at that point.
All right, so that's what we got. I mean, the guy said he put 100 gallons in it.
Yeah.
Well, sometimes it gets some schmag on there. It says it's saying 3/4.
Okay.
You know, when this thing starts getting down around a quarter or something, put oil in it.
Oh, I know. That's why it was at a half, and I had it.
Yeah, because I have replaced some pipes going through the wall because there was water getting in there. I mean, this is an old beast. It's an old tank. You know, in Canada, they got to change the tanks every 5 years, whether they need them or not. That's an
right?
Every 5 years, are like brand new tanks. All right, so the nozzle, good oil flow, good draft. I did change the main output control last year. It's been about a year since the nozzle and the new filter at tank, so we're good. So like I said, that transformer is questionable.
Yep.
If it trips out again, we'll have to change that transformer.
Okay.
Unless you want to do it right now, you probably want to wait, no?
I prefer to wait right now.
Yeah.